If you're seeing Epic Games error code 429, don't worry. This usually means the launcher is temporarily rate limiting your connection, and in most cases, the fix is simple. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best ways to fix Epic Games error code 429 step by step, so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming guides. First, the best solution is often the easiest one. Wait it out. Close the Epic Games launcher completely, make sure it is fully shut down, and then wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before trying again. In many cases, error code 429 happens because too many login or connection requests were made in a short period of time, and Epic's servers temporarily block further attempts. So give it a little time, then try logging in again after the cooldown period. If that does not work, the next thing to try is restarting your router or modem. Power off your internet router, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. This helps refresh your public IP address and can clear temporary network restrictions that may be triggering the error. Once your connection is back, open Epic Games Launcher and test it again. Another useful fix is switching to a mobile hotspot. If your home network has been rate limited, temporarily connecting your PC to your phone's hotspot can help bypass the restriction and let you sign in successfully. After you log in, you can switch back to your normal internet connection. You can also try using a VPN. A VPN changes your IP address, which may help if the error is being caused by repeated requests from your current IP. Just connect to a reliable VPN server, launch Epic Games again, and see if the login or update process works. If it does, the issue was likely tied to your original network IP. Another quick fix is restarting your PC. A simple reboot can clear cached network sessions, background launch processes, and temporary settings that may be causing the launcher to keep sending repeated requests. After the restart, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and check if the problem is gone. Now, let's go through a few additional troubleshooting steps. First, check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your end at all. The servers may be experiencing problems or heavy traffic. Visit the official Epic Games status page and confirm whether login or launcher services are running normally. If the servers are down, the only fix is to wait until Epic resolves the issue. Next, try running the launcher as administrator. Right-click Epic Games Launcher and choose Run as administrator. This can help if the app is having permission issues or network access problems on your system. If that still does not fix it, clear the launcher cache. Go into your Epic Games folder in App Data and locate the Web Cache folder. Deleting the web cache can remove corrupted temporary files that sometimes interfere with login and cause repeated errors. After clearing the cache, reopen the launcher and sign in again. If you've tried all of these steps, the most important thing is not to spam the login button repeatedly, because that can make error code 429 worse. Give the system time, use one fix at a time, and test after each step. In most cases, one of these methods will get you back into Epic Games without needing anything more advanced. So to recap, wait 15 to 30 minutes, restart your router, try a mobile hotspot, use a VPN if needed, restart your PC, check Epic server status, run the launcher as administrator, and clear the launcher cache. If this video helped you fix Epic Games error code 429, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.